Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Betterment for Roth IRA contribution verification, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Betterment website at www.betterment.com. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Select Open an account from the available options. Choose Retirement to specify the type of account you want to open. Select Roth IRA from the retirement options given. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a password that meets Betterment's security requirements. Review and agree to Betterment's terms of service and privacy policy. Provide additional information such as your date of birth, social security number, and residential address. Select your employment status and provide details about your income. Answer questions regarding your investment experience and risk tolerance. Link your bank account to facilitate contributions by providing your bank name and account details. Verify your bank account through the steps outlined by Betterment. Complete the account setup by finalizing any remaining information or documentation. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Roth IRA section of your dashboard. Look for the options to make contributions to your Roth IRA. Input the contribution amount you wish to make. Verify your contribution details and select the frequency of your contributions. Submit the contribution request and await confirmation from Betterment. Confirm that your contributions are reflected in your Roth IRA account. Check your account periodically to monitor your investment performance. Keep documentation of your contributions for your records and tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.